Are you looking to start building business credit? Looking to get a $25,000 business credit card with no proof of income? If so, then this is the right video for you. Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Ish. Welcome back to my channel, Just Money. For those of you that are new to my channel, Just Money, I pretty much go over financial related topics such as personal and business credit, real estate, and other financial related topics. So if that's something you're into, then you're probably gonna wanna consider subscribing. But in this video, we're gonna be talking about the Navy Federal GoBiz Rewards, Visa, and MasterCard. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I recently started banking with Navy Federal Credit Union, and I got approved for over $23,000 on my personal credit card. But today we're gonna be talking about how to apply for a business credit card. So I'm gonna tell you what I've learned so far, so let's get into it. Okay, so first you will need to have a personal checking and savings account with Navy Federal. Then you can apply to open a business checking account. Now this process is different from when you open personal accounts. For personal accounts, you can just walk into the bank and just get everything done. But for the business, it's a whole different department. You must be a member for at least 30 days to open a business checking account. I would recommend to apply for the business checking account over the phone with the business solutions department, and be prepared for the process to take about an hour. Now obviously things may change depending on the time that you are watching this video, but the documents you will need vary on the business type that you have. For instance, if you have a simple entity such as an LLC, then you'll need your TIN federal tax ID number letter and your certificate of good standing and your beneficial owner form. Now if you are a sole proprietorship or operating as an independent contractor such as an auto mechanic, a barber, a massage therapist, or a real estate agent, etc., whatever, then you will just need proof of your professional license. So once you have your business checking account, then you can apply for your business credit card. And I'll do a more in-depth video later on down the road on how to open a business checking account. So stay tuned. But for now, I'm just going to assume that you guys already have a business checking account if you're watching this video. Okay, now let's go over the application process for this business credit card. If you're applying for a limit under $25,000, then you won't need tax returns. And also business age won't matter, and they won't require proof of income or cash flow for the business. However, they do reserve the right to request documentation as needed. But the main focus is on your personal credit. So that's why I would recommend to build a banking relationship with them first. Okay, now here are some data points to consider. Use the products that they offer. The more products you have with Navy Federal, the higher your internal score goes. Now Navy Federal Credit Union does have an internal score that ranges anywhere from 100 all the way up to 450. And Navy Federal has many products such as car loans, pledge loans, secured credit cards, mortgages, and even personal loans. In fact, I just did a video on how to receive a personal loan all the way up to $50,000 with Navy Federal Credit Union. So if you guys are interested in watching that, then I'll link it down in the description below. It'll be the first link. But all that is what I mean when I say building a relationship with the bank. You build a relationship history by using all of Navy Federal Credit Union's products. Okay, so your personal credit is what they look at to qualify you. And also keep note, they do pull from your personal Experian credit report. And that would be considered a hard pull on your personal credit. And also try to apply when you have an overall low utilization across your credit cards. Use your business checking account and show deposits. Even small deposits are fine, such as something as little as $100 per month. But the more deposits, then the higher your limit approval will be. Now obviously your overall credit limit depend on your overall history. And a quick example of that is I've seen people get an initial limit of about $6,000 all the way up to $9,000 by just depositing something as little as $100 to $200 per month for 3 months and having a total amount in the account of just something as little as $600. Their business credit cards are all PG, personally guaranteed by you, the business owner, and they do not pull from your business credit report. They currently don't offer automatic credit line increases. You have to wait at least 91 days to request an increase. And the credit limit increase request will be a hard pull on your personal credit. You will inquire one hard pull for each credit card that you apply for or any business product. And this card is available as a Visa or a MasterCard. And you do get 1 reward point for every dollar that you spend. And the minimum credit limit will be $5,000. And the maximum will be $25,000. Now these credit limits are determined during the underwriting process. Now your business bank account balance may be reviewed, but the PG, personal guarantee, will play the largest factor on getting approved or not. Now once you get approved for your business credit card, Navy Federal Credit Union does not report the history to your business credit, and they will also not report it to your personal credit. They do, however, keep an internal score though. Now if you ever default or if you ever go into collections, then they will report that to the credit bureaus. So just make sure to stay current on all of your guys' payments. And also, if you guys are finding this information helpful, or if you guys are finding any value in this information, if you guys could hit the like button for me, I would truly appreciate that. But anyways, let's quickly go over some of the questions a lot of you may have about this business credit card. Now, is there an annual fee for the GoBiz card? And the answer to that is no. There are no annual fees for the business credit cards. Another question would probably be, can I take cash advances on the GoBiz card? And the answer to that is yes. Yes, you may take cash advances all the way up to 30% of your available credit. Now, is there a fee for cash advances? No. There are no fees for cash advances. However, interest rates will start occurring immediately. The cash advance APR is 2% higher than the standard APR. And another question might be, can I obtain credit cards for my employees? And the answer to that is yes. Yes, you may obtain credit cards for your employees. Oh, okay, that's cool. But Ish, how do I obtain convenience checks? To get convenience checks, call 1-888-842-6328. Another question might be, will my personal credit be checked when I apply for a GoBiz card? Personal credit scores obtained by Experian are taken into consideration during the decision process. The underwriting process includes an evaluation of relevant credit information, including potentially the credit profiles of the business entity, individual owners, and or guarantors. Also, does Navy Federal require a personal guarantee? Personal guarantees are required on all business lending products. Now, another question might be, if I own more than one business and would like to have a GoBiz card for each business, how does that affect the limits for each card? Your maximum approved credit limit will be split between the business that you own or co-own. For example, let's say that you own or co-own 2 businesses, and one of the other businesses already have a Navy Federal GoBiz credit card. If you decide to apply for another GoBiz card for your other business, your total limit will be split between the 2. That means the limit on your first business credit card may be reduced. And to answer one more question that you guys may have is, what is the APR? Now, there is a variable APR of 12.15% all the way up to 18%. Well, I don't want to make this video too long, but I really hope that you guys found value in this information. And if you guys can hit the like button so that way this video could reach out a lot of more people that need help, then I would truly appreciate that. But if you guys made it to the end of the video, then I truly do appreciate you guys. We're at 5,262 subscribers at the time of this recording, which is actually pretty crazy to me, but I do appreciate all who watch. I do post every Sunday and a Wednesday, 7 a.m. Pacific time, so be there. And real quick, if you guys are interested in knowing more about personal and business credit or real estate or any other financial related topics, I talk about getting high limits on credit cards, how to obtain them, what credit cards are the best, what credit cards to stay away from. If you guys are interested in any of that, then I would consider subscribing. We talk about American Express, Navy Federal Credit Union, Chase, and a bunch of other credit cards. So if that's something you're into, I would consider subscribing. Please leave a comment. I do read all comments. Tell me what your internal score is, or if you're trying to apply for a business credit card. Or if you already have your business credit card, then let me know what limit you started out with. Also, for those that do not know, I am also a licensed real estate agent here in Southern California. So if you're looking to buy or sell or have any questions in regards to real estate, then all my information will be in the description below. Feel free to hit me up. Also, depending on the time you're watching this video, I will be a licensed mortgage loan originator. So if you need help when obtaining a mortgage loan, then I can help you out with that as well. Thanks again for watching, guys. And if you want to know on how I got approved for a $50,000 personal loan with Navy Federal Credit Union, then it will be the first link in the description below. I go by the name of Ismael Sandiford, and I will see you next video. Thanks for watching.